Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Today I've got a 2014 Victory Cross Country Tour that I want to show you. Beautiful blue and silver paint. Got the lower leg fairings. A nice cool looking wraparound front fender there. Beautiful 6-spoke aluminum mag wheels, inverted forks, dual front disc brakes, pretty decent tire on the front. The wind deflectors here on the fairing. Full frame mounted fairing. Well, it's not frame mounted, I take that back. It's a batwing fairing. 106 motor. 6-speed transmission. Very unique styling on the Victory. Hard lockable bags. Lots of storage in there. Rear speakers for your passenger. This bike's got anti-lock brakes, chrome bag rails down through here. Some nice touches. Rear tire's pretty good too. Looks like it's got a lot of miles left on it. Lockable tour pack. These switches under here, I'm thinking that's probably a heated seat. Not sure about that, but that would be my guess. I can't read what's on there. It's got electronic cruise control, AM, FM, heated hand grips.
Hires to Chrysler Capital regardless of down payment. Not all buyers.
15,649 miles, full instrumentation. Large rider floorboards and passenger floorboards. Bike's got a nice sound to it. 12-volt outlet right here. Charging your goodies. You can put a cigarette lighter in there, either one. It's got a vent here. It comes get a little bit of air through that fairing under the windshield. Bike looks real good. I didn't see anything that stuck out at me that I needed to point out to you. Looks like it was very well taken care of. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. This bike qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.